Hey there, thank you for your interest in MobiLoud. You're on your way to get your app published on the App Store quickly and at a fraction of the typical cost. So you might be wondering, what is MobiLoud and how are we different to other app builders out there? With MobiLoud, you can turn your website or web app into a high quality, fast native Android or iOS app with minimal work required from your end. Provided your site already works well on mobile, you'll have everything you need to get a mobile app published faster than with any alternative. Your app will have every feature your site has out of the box, and MobiLoud will add anything that your site needs to become a native mobile app and get you all the advantages of a native app without the expensive and long development process, which is usually typical of native app development. Our powerful software paired with our helpful team helps you set up your project for success. Now here's a rundown on how our entire process works. Once you submit your URL, your journey with us begins. Our platform syncs with your site and starts pulling content in to set up your app preview. Number 2 is you can change everything from the main interface colors to the menu and make sure your app has all the site features. Number 3 is once you complete your initial configuration, you'll get a working interactive preview of your mobile app. Now this is a great way to get a feel for what your final app will look like and really experience the power of turning your website into a mobile app quickly and with no coding required. At this point, your app is 80% ready, but it still requires a bit of tweaking to meet App Store requirements and make sure that it runs smoothly for your users. Number 4. Now this is where our expert team comes in. MobiLoud sets up a consultation to fully understand what you want to achieve with your app, and we make sure everything comes together and works seamlessly. Configuring your app in our dashboard is straightforward, but there's many small details that matter in providing your users with the best user experience. We'll help with getting that experience dialed in, and we'll also take care of every technical element required to build and compile, test, and finally submit your applications to the App Store and Google Play Store. We've published thousands of apps and know the ins and outs of the process. You might have heard of the strict rules and guidelines that Apple and Google has before you submit your apps. We know them very well, and we will set up your app to get them approved on both stores in the shortest time possible. Step number 5. After an onboarding call, the final build phase begins. We work with you or your team to compile, test, debug, and prepare an App Store ready version of your app. We also provide detailed progress updates and consult with you every step of the way to make sure you are completely satisfied. Step number 6, our team will take care of preparing all App Store listing requirements such as graphic design work, screenshots, documentation, and a number of other key items that are necessary for a successful listing. Now, this is optional, but it is recommended. Step number 7, at this point your app is 80% of the way there. That's where our expert team comes in. We help you get set up and make sure you can preview and publish your app to app stores in as little as 3 weeks. Number 8, once your app is published, you're all set. App maintenance is included with any of our subscription plans, so you never have to spend your team's time on this and you can focus on your business instead. By working with us, you get access to a great no-code app builder and an entire team of experts to ensure your success. That's just the MobiLoud way. We look forward to working with you, and if you have any questions, just book a consultation with one of us. These sessions are completely free and it'll help you decide if MobiLoud is the right platform for you.